Hello and welcome to the Wolfvision booth here at ISE 2020. We are showing here our latest addition to the Cynap family. It's the fourth product now in the Cynap product lineup. Last year we added the Pure. This year we add the Pure Pro, Cynap Pure Pro, which comes in a small, very nice form factor, bringing all the functions that people know from the core to a smaller form factor. So we are offering bring your own device with all the native protocols. There is native support for Miracast, for AirPlay, for Chromecast, no need for apps, no need for dongles. We have a Zoom implementation, so this means you can host a Zoom meeting straight from the Pure Pro. You can connect any kind of peripheral devices, USB cameras, microphones, set up your own system, and then use natively that technology, the native Zoom implementation that is built in. There is annotation functionality. We support a document and media player, so there's quite a lot of functions. It's a quite powerful tool, and there is quite a lot of interest here at the Wolfvision booth. So if you want to see it, stop by booth M20 in Hall 1. Looking forward to see you soon. Website. Just that? Go ahead. Yes, okay. Of course, there are more information available on our website as well, www.wolfvision.com.